Did you know some fruits can boost your protein intake without a single scoop of powder? Let's discover the top 10 protein-rich fruits that are as delicious as they are nutritious. Guava. Guava tops the chart with around 4.2 grams of protein per cup. It's also rich in vitamin C, boosting your immunity while supporting muscle recovery. Avocado. Not just healthy fats. One avocado contains about 3 grams of protein, making it a great choice for smoothies and salads. Jackfruit. With about 2.8 grams of protein per cup, jackfruit is a tropical delight that also provides fiber and antioxidants. Dried apricots. A cup of dried apricots offers around 2.2 grams of protein, along with iron to keep your energy levels high. Blackberries. These little berries pack about 2 grams of protein per cup and are loaded with antioxidants for skin health. Raisins. A half cup of raisins contains about 1.5 grams of protein, perfect for snacking or adding to oatmeal. Oranges. Surprisingly, one large orange offers 1.2 grams of protein, plus vitamin C for collagen production. Bananas. One banana gives you about 1.3 grams of protein and is a quick energy booster after workouts. Peaches. A medium peach contains around 1 gram of protein along with skin-friendly vitamins. Cherries. A cup of cherries offers 1.6 grams of protein and anti-inflammatory benefits for faster recovery. These protein-packed fruits are nature's gift for muscle building, energy, and overall health, without processed supplements. Which one will you try first? Tell me in the comments.